Bacha some aniti and a Afric Media piano. Ube here, sell ube chat the home info at the atoho. Ope to make qua or ye a pabene, the band live streaming, video coverage, and now pictures on one. And you'll be city event masters. And internet say ye a year, say your wedding, birthday parties, anniversaries, any near a kikan who Afric Media fashibia. To chum, oh Mahama true for so 0594 603 869. Show me track kwaye. Ewa abeka La Paz. A free pipe quantum soa. Eye papa die. And no one city event masters. Bacha some aniti and a Afric Media piano. Ube here, sell ube chat the home info at the atoho. Ope to make qua or ye a pabene, the band live streaming, video coverage, and now pictures on one. And you'll be city event masters. And internet say ye a year, say your wedding, birthday parties, anniversaries, any near a kikan who Afric Media fashibia. To chum, oh Mahama true for so.
I happen to be a yet not see your mama information I check woman too much GH. Now, Mr. Said, any day the car will come, sir. But the man is subscribe. Na afifa comment bro comment section hono ene dey ti ayat na se ya ba si ehun konya ni na say ye man panyine dada John Dramani Mahama according to him no wakika kan nsem bi efa suku pon ho ene ade eno na se drofo bi atna sidi ehunu se nsem ho ka no ensisi so ebe na Ghana fo ahwehwe mu ano mehunu se na sa asem ma wo kai na ensisi so dia ene natural se opesi ehunu se eba na go ba no ayeti se petition bi na wo dey to Ghana for ni mu ana same pa na sem no esifa etie enye me kwa na me di Jumedi me ni Mr. Bruce of Fidium Hanum say but one day so so ba be kan komotwetwe ne ho se we wa register ebeba wo comment section hono wo video no ase ye be kenkan de ama obi biara asa na ye be share enkomo na se no na make house city event masters adawma na yatna se di Jumedi eba be domo enti no yeda se so aba be kai yensa se wo ye yiyo wedding party Christine ade bi afa nhemu ade hu bi atotwe mo Mahama true for ne so na bibia enko totin enfa emma oda for asa na be share komotwetwe na se moma ye ntie ensem a eye koku enida wo obeka ye efa ensem a ye rather than John Dramani Mahama editing journal
former President Mahama ye kutia boys me body di former President Mahama we say NBC, NAC, all the public universities. All. Those one can say some or say all. And you know, that I'm a student of English. I'm a grammarian. I'm a student of literature. Also Ghana public universities meaning NBC this year. You know that it is not true. And you know it is not true. There have been a former NBC. NBC was established in 1992. University of Ghana. There have been established in University of Ghana. Here have been established Tech. University of Ghana here in PNUSC. Kwame Nkrumah NSC Kiva. Winneba. So we Winneba Kripima. These three universities are Mabo, Lagos, KNUS, Kiva, and this in the end, and this is established. You see, and because I have been a communications director for a presidential candidate before, now I'm a Katamafu, Emma Franketini, I'm a Brazilian, Nakupon, Adawama, we stand here, Katamafu, Oman Penny, and now we President Mahama, yes, I'm a big victory. I find it extremely difficult. And I find it extremely difficult to understand. Now, Oko, University of Ghana Communication School of Communication Studies. I also went to that same School of Communication Studies. I find it extremely difficult to understand some of his communication skills. Because when you do that, now, can I do it from a communications perspective? You tell me, say, if we start a more class as NBC Nimbe, NA2, I bet defend this position all kind. Because you are making the work difficult for us as NBC people. Because in your kind, it's not true. NBC did not establish all public universities. The record is very clear. If it is in terms of upgrading institutions to become tertiary institutions, but when it comes to establish, first of all, NBC built. Then again, from the grammarian and English perspective, go around the world, say here Oxford, say here Cambridge, say here Princeton. Go and see, say whether you see anywhere that this university was built by so and so and so. Who plaque no so. This university was established. Buildings can be built in the university. So this assembly hall was built, yes. But universities are established by charter. Former President Mahama, former President Mahama, will say NBC, NAC, all the public universities. All. Those one can say some or say all. And you know, Kinedo, that I'm a student of English. I'm a grammarian. I'm a student of literature. Also, Ghana public universities mean NBC this year. Kinedo, it is not true. And you know it is not true. That then a former NBC. NBC was established in 1992. University of Ghana. That then established University of Ghana. Here then established check. You better than the PNUSC. Kwame Nkrumah NSC Kiva. Winneba. So we be Winneba Kripima. These three universities are Mabo, Lagos, KNUSC, Kiva. Anything here, anything established. You see, and because I have been a communications director for a presidential candidate before, I'm a Katamafu, Emma Franketini. I'm a Brazilian, and Coupon Adawama. We stand here, Katamafu, or Mampenny. And now we President Mahama, yes, I'm a big victory. I find it extremely difficult. And I find it extremely difficult to understand. Now, Oko, University of Ghana School of Communication Studies. I also went to that same School of Communication Studies. I find it extremely difficult to understand some of his communication skills. Because when you do that, now, can I do it from a communications perspective? You tell me, say, if we start a more class as NBC Nimbe, NA2, I bet defend this position all kind. Because you are making the work difficult for us as NBC people. Because in your kind, it's not true. NBC did not establish all public universities. The record is very clear. If it is in terms of upgrading institutions to become tertiary institutions, but when it comes to establish, first of all, NBC built. Then again, from the grammarian and English perspective, go around the world, say here Oxford, say here Cambridge, say here Princeton. Go and see, say whether you see anywhere that this university was built by so and so and so.
Na say baby a obegi na obekasa bia no wose wo hwe wo kasa yefi so bi wo ho no a watam pen ene paper e wa asem na ho wose wo e grammarian and it's no grammar bia obe ota out bia no betimi e de atobo eno na bi mu bisa say so Yewra Mahama na why na to abama wompo ama baba ye o mampanyini no e na wushu eka hoi ana say wo de e da nkrofo ma ye nie bia ka say edisi amanyo ko mu wo emi papa e de maye na emom aban wo te so no ama ya boka na e de ba de pa e na all pa kire but I didn't try about comment section hono like a video no subscribe share catch obi ase ya live and it's no on fan na dwen kire emma me name is Mr. Bruce our hanma ye share nkomo twetwe no ase Mr. Bruce akwala
yeah
apo me
oba de dem me kra
sisi a dia ababeto ye na so no eni journalist mu ha e na yeti na no disem no efa de nsem a yera Mahama e de atu ejame ho na o kire mu a ye mfa no sen se dia wo ka no papa no ehunu dia wo ka ni nti na wo correct no ana o ka afa bi e de ama no ku fufu
me cha wati efo ni obi ohwe me bia mo bia chia mo de bia sama pa me kan say Ghana for politicians ma obi anji obi andi
okay
because obi ani ade papa bia ma Ghana and number 2 me tie ni John Mahama kan na ke beba menya a better understanding of what he said because say obi airport obi ade a e wo the way o kan na ke menya better understanding of what he said. But few things. Schools are built, somebody established the school. He's right.
Yeah.
Who put up the structure of the school? And yes, structure no na school. Akadia a kom na sabe obi ba besua dia wanya e ho mfaso e no na man you. Et senia wakoto land for farm. Wato land no ba sabe unnua bibia wo so a obi antime friend say e farm. Tell say no na all kan ye ho. But let's look at this. Aso me pacho wanye sika e na ye de ekura Ghana. Enya me no. Thank you. Now, yes, I shall win so. Obia ba or say policy. As someone you read John Mahama kind express on me move on mine.
Anetia.
Me ba be chọ niti. Sabi, ye ba be ma bibi en fa ma. Yes yo. Asema si brafie na em say o so papa be wu no the company ni sha on sa. O bas company na car. E ka we dey wan metimi atua. E hon na se agi company no fi nsem. Na ye dey money pa foforo. You are not ready for take off.
Okay.
There be a Miss Ghana. Say yenya leader be a visionary within 1 year 365 days Ghana will change.
Okay.
And 3 things that we need to do. Number 1, the constitution has to be changed. Number 2, appointment of regional ministers and deputy ministers should be scrapped.
Okay.
Regional minister nyasa bia nim omo nyare
Okay.
Greater Accra regional minister no edu ba bi na oye way for na aduma no oye Accra metropolitan auto AMA for aduma na ewo regional minister who come round so bubu adan deputy ministers omo ye useless omo nim hweye.
Okay.
Nieti America sa no every department has what we call chief executives. Our deputy chief executives.
Yeah.
Those chief executive deputy chiefs, no, they can play the role of the deputy for Ghana to save money. The third one is corruption. They are not making sure say Ghana to meet corruption so by 20%. Ghana will never borrow again.
Sir.
Thank you. It's Nyama Miensa. Yenya visionary leader 1 year Ghana will turn around.
Okay.
Now Obeka say corruption, how do you do it? By making sure say you start the corruption from your home. Nyankopon say me ba me start ma abono e wo me fie. Sawaba na sebe cars be buy a presidential fleet over 500 cars.
Yeah.
I go ayan fanye o say okay mo me entina say o man ni ese eniska cars na egu ono ya ni be dey as a show of bueno, Minister Biama or Yusuf 4x4 begin.
Okay.
Obia Yusuf Saluka, including me, the president. Cars now can you better on in any of the football.
Okay.
Sir, a good 4 years or more quiet, they come on, you become. Sir, your friends are parliamentarians, say more Carlo, you become because it's you almost 20,000. Now, soon to be talking, then you are a useless man or a useless woman.
Okay.
I'm telling you, because OBG paid 3,000, but you are talking. Now we are 20,000. Aside the incentives, they will also want to talk your own car, you're a useless person. Free fuel had to be cut. Sadly, when I may expect John Mahama, so Kase or Ghana Atata, this is what I'm expecting from him.
Okay.
Because Abembia and I say, Obia Babi General Kasa way, I'll kill myself and vote for you.
Hey.
I'm telling you. Because these are the things that Ghana needs to change. Free petrol, not girlfriends in Jibi. Me, it's say, Bibia has to be passed on to the people. Petrol now, politicians, they have and no more taxes, they are bringing. Sika 70 billion, and no more emission tax, weight tax, they bring. Why should Ghanaians suffer like this? Okay. Are we animals? No. We are not. It's your man on your crobono. Obonkro. Sa opesa or chicken and see what. How can your man a better mini obiasum? Because me this year meant to aba. Me even so to aba.
And they say Obi better with you.
And me home. Because me what they are doing. And trust me. A time will come, nobody will vote. Say, when never because a time will come, nobody will vote. And that time is coming soon. Okay. It's Oba, no name so what you papa there. Niamana Makacha on ye because Sabe, Uyo be a 30,000. Now you some more free fuel. Now you 2,000. Now on what on fuel. Just say, oh, catch any person, why passia? Meanwhile, who say I'm come to save? What is this? In some of media, I didn't know only way there's some. We need to talk sex. I didn't make ban say, Bibi Bana say, how do you want to change it? Okay. And by radical things. Radical means say, comfort now, politicians know, and what in their comfort zone, no, and you have him. Your finance minister, now your purpose is to go and borrow. You are as useless as my little child. Because Ghana politicians, the only language they know is to borrow. The finance ministers, all that they know is to borrow. They don't think outside the box. How do I make extra income without burdening the people? No. It's all the time, how do I learn from them? Meanwhile, the people don't even have money. Okay. So these are things that I expect John Mahama to say.
Okay. Looking at Yera Mahama, who did this say? Well, first of all, he was a vice president. Before he became a president himself.
He started from assemblyman.
Assemblyman. Before he
deputy minister, the minister, the vice president, the president.
He has gone through the process.
He knows all the problems.
He knows all the problems.
Yes.
So don't you think say a problem is not or person or single out Emma Ghanaians.
And your problem yeah. Over the year we also say Ghana Canada me say only visionary leader. Within 1 year that debt can be paid. Okay,
it is a quite bad so na nipa ne befa.
Machira.
Sisi no corruption, nipa no obanu mu so or you corrupt dada.
And you don't need to come there. If you yourself you are corrupt, you don't need to come there.
Okay.
And then we need to distinguish between a party and a government. That's the thing now. When a party is in government and then a party chairman they have a field they should stop. Okay. You can't go to US and tell me the chairman of the Democratic has power. What power? You don't have any power. You are not being voted for. You are a chairman of your party, not the government.
But if we say it like that, then a patcher say, anyone say, oh my, you need more than an echo for campaign because you already know their capabilities.
I don't know. It's I'm saying me, yeah, women to aba. Me, you know, so to aba. Yeah, be a to aba because Nipa will go in, meaning what they are telling me that will make me go and stand in the sun. Now, me to aba, no, before baby mommy, Emma so. Emma so.
Anyway, you go so a year and someone a go a fire political flag bearers no way a year John Dramani Mahama. A year cuckoo any doho and some ever to a journal. Because as city event masters and also as near Media, maybe I will share piano, touch your mama, true for you so 0594603869. Say, oh, your party, wedding engagement, Christine, and a year. I did be a shame, my dear, touch your mama. No more bamboo chat or Media and fine mom. Mr. Bruce, yeah, share John Dramani Mahama needs some more needs to jump, not in the year who knows so for we chain, but now no, yes, no, yes, no. Oh, Jindy said, one more would know, and I am one money to me achieve video pursuit.
See, a cast of blue of vision now. Next is what we call self motivator. It means that me to me motivate me. Me to me who near some yamame na or mine it be quite. As for Nippon do actually because of tutobidi any yafunu community no, what make a nyama any mukra natural. It's who you be a what would mean discerning now who said no, nyama koya and your man say Adabeko. We need to have leaders who go to the ground, who knows what is happening, and yet here say. That's what we need.
But if we are taking it in that order, then not just say we don't need MPs, we don't need assemblymen because I'll say the president now ever form The role of the MP is to make what laws. Yeah, let's define that. MP nyakwan. MP ko si school dan. MP ku ko kwa ye no ko yiska because wo ma MP ni ba ye no be yiska no. Wo sika no wi an eno na njo sa de bra. Eti no mo do ha so mo wi sika no. Because one somebody kuko any parties. They say kwa they say obi kwa ye graduation o so friend bi as obeba na so be yiska. Me wa ye sika. Me wa their basic function is to go and make laws and represent us in parliament. So what I say. Now, the MC, the DC, they are for us. I'm not making sure that development work takes place. Because of say MPs normality, we don't even see the work of the MC, the DCE again. The assemblyman is a local person. Okay.
What I say? Because I know the district will be no. What I say? Let's Obianye Najumye, not Obianye accountable to Ghana, not to somebody.
Okay.
So what I say? Because now say this is here you are. Say idea you go to Yanka, you're going to be young. People are saying say or feel say they against him. And I so bottom, but maybe Obi woman or yet my papa. Mama born it to her. And now they've sacked them. Yes, that's the power we have given to the president.
Okay, so see, I am share the strongholds of both parties. I can say NDC stronghold no, MP before AFA, because we share first nananka not in this near more side no, they really go in for NDC. But this time around, according to campaign names and semi-caucus, over 200 guys about me. What shall they buy dinner NDC for a year longer? I was so musuya if you bound me. That's what they are saying.
Chiefs need to be Omafuna, Omopashama. Because Yankoi, or me and you as some catch up the moon na mo yade. Muko Suya Yama Yenamumra. Because idea a woman to na Musuma Ghana idea, and the Ghana and Cobabiao. You have market times, because a near mercy so near as people, no, we are not doing it. And Yamahunu near now says a message on Mahama or by renaming of schools. That's this man, are you that gullible? You rename schools very petty. Or be doing Yama, you come to rename schools. School now who rename, you know, will they bring food what to my table? Let's question them small. Don't let that be fools. Okay, say yeah, about so. Question them.
Yeah.
Master, I said now, will they bring food on my table? What are you talking about? So I just said, university come OBS me say, there be a Uwo bi a debia oka enada ni esuano yes na omobra ushia Bill Gates ma omo pass they talk about president because they are still making money.
Sure.
Who sika sana debia ka ena first no meje pa na mekai oka na wan what be an asu yeti say feel say it the way I Ghana for penny for eka about the past some years ago some even football yeah can 1982 cap ye kwaje en kwasafo ye can 1982 wo bi anje cap 20 we yeah 2024 team bit second look at how they are going now ye can 1982 that's how your mind your backward mind and we need to change it.
Okay. Na say impelfo na nesi sankofa yenchi. Nti ene nka yekofa ni papa na ya ye kane na ya fa hwe.
Me fa sankofa na me hwe mistake am here how to better it.
Exactly.
America ni bia kofa sankofa and relive that time. America for they don't really think about the past because past was no good. Every time they better themselves. The African, the past was good, the present is bad, the future is worse. That's how we are. But Obroni, the opposite. The past is worse, the present is good, the future is the best. Because a young person, you have no idea. America, for 100 years, more oil, food and oil, they have no problem. And water. Ghana, COVID by one week. You see, the whole economy has not crashed. I don't want to use certain words.
Abotre. One of 4 year na ya call your next topic and then the discussing it home. Abrante friend is Kevin Taylor. Or no so the net yaba between your chilmwa. And someone Abrante Koku a car on any yard in a bakokra. Yentin in himself near Mercia.
Shall see a catcher gun of fooling in an uncle for Jim Mahon a conditioning. Also, the can't honeymoon. Where they come, we so what the Baba to say. And yeah, you know, made you who a car, ye may Baba somni, and what's that? Ye dear common bra may be bren, and one gin amazing. It is a wagimu no pan. I won't say he's just conditioning you to tell you say he cannot work. Or my one would say a bar mamun can because ya broke ego. Or my young would say, and yamion come and answer me by the sickening in ayedi. You think John Mahama is telling the truth? Then tell that one to the dogs. You think this one is the truth? This is cheap. This is incompetent talking. The reason why we vote for somebody is we don't want any excuses.
Come and fix it.
What is it? Because yes, you broke a but clearly what demonstrating say on ye ready so obey we need power. Because obey ready power so obey we need power. No, you don't start talking like this. The bar, a cannet dahono. You don't care about that. Don't come and tell us anything. You need send Nana Kufuado. I say, oh man, don't. If you're not ready, don't even make a attempt. Yempesa, Sanyo Manoshi Abufu.
Ebo to na ye morning host. Ewo Isra FM so o Kumasi minimum pa. Sani a wuntumi dwene no. O sana na nyantoa adwene better than wuntumi. Na na nyantoa akyeresa na adwene wo fom. Na na nyantoa akoji ademade. You have taken money to come and do this foolishness. Now, one another to our casano. In your own words, or say, when you say Ghana Sika say, into Jimmy Bain and our canasano. You know, say Ghana Sika say. Now, what you want to say, the only woman, answer, John Mahama is not serious. He's incompetent. You are very foolish to be on radio. Unimiansa also to radio. So you are not intelligent enough to be a morning show host. Now, when young politician be catch, I'll say, when I come to power, we all know our condition. We are at IMF. Our debt has ballooned. Nipana or Kasachono or Connect Canada on here saying, I don't know moyan kwasia politics. Onya kora ona na janto 50 years. Now utina radio so kasa basa to say the unimi answer. Now school now kora anyway ni the person just told you that me bia woman ma yenyina ehu sika da ho. Na afa ya fa kwan so achechire man no. Ukasa you could not suggest anything oba wo miamama wo sika sa bekan. You could not suggest. The strategy you are using as a fake journalist, and say you are always a coup for the bomb. I don't know about you are the foolish ones. I'm disappointed in you. You are a disease of a journalist. You don't reason beyond your tribe. You are not smart enough to sit on radio and discuss Ghana issues. So many times I've cut you a slack. Every single time I'll be Jimmy Hall Radio Subiano because of the friendship and the relationship I have with you. Meaning say you are intelligent enough to make your corrections. But it looks like continuously with Jimmy in your analysis, no, a personal hatred. We said John Mahama is going to be president again. Now when I will see so Ghana. Untu kwanko bibia bonyoma numa wa santimema o MPP na adokuru wa TV so Jimmy hono a from Mahama incompetent onye ready o assemblyman kra area o stand obedi Nana Jantua assemblyman in your area o stand assemblyman, are you going to win? You talk like you have not been to the classroom before. Ojitu muse sika no ho enti ba omiana beto Ghana here na. How foolish can you be? How stupid can you be as a tech student? A JSS kid will not do this analysis. Aden, John Mahama really Ghana swa. Na Ghana say ana. Motina wa mode baomia ene kufuado ba wotina radio so tina TV so say. Sa aban sisa 2016 yentwa NDC 40. Wo wantina radio so ankasa sem no. Didn't you sit on Facebook to say aban sisa yentwa NDC 40 BT? Wabodam, wajimi. Are you stupid? What kind of vague analysis is that? John Mahama is telling you this is the situation. Now, Nana Jantwa, tell me or Chabatan Radio so catch that Sante for MPP ne the Ayama Asante for Mona Mokumi Kenka Munimunyansa. Mako school. But you see, with Jimmy, school and Sisa Jimmy. Now over to no compare John Mahama's intelligence. What kind of intelligence do you have? TV so I on 15 and you are not reasonable enough to. You are not rational enough. Mona Moma Asante say no. Mona moma asa awasa asante for chimo no boom mona mo say asante. Instead of you people to be factual, what has John Mahama done? John Mahama boni oya and say or see or the oba power obe bien krate me nyina ehu esikasem. And then John Mahama problem no. So what's your solution? Say Ghana sikasema say per your own statement. What is the solution? And the minute way ya two petrol mo asante memu, ya two light mo asante memu, enu hiamo. And then kwasia politics, tribal politics. Now mo candidate ya papa, other than moment now, now mo promote mo candidate to say he has better options than John Mahama. Dia mo be dia wunti, kakra mo be to for su unti, mo betina radio so an kwasia keka. Na me dwen say obetina radio so no. Na wonim wiase nyanse nyina wo na wo church John Mahama nsemu no. Wo na wo ye a psychologist, you can read John Mahama is conditioning people. John Mahama is being factual. I don't know, you are not used to. You people are not used to factual. People being factual, people being real, people telling you the truth. The minimum say in trouble, trying from Jimmy in them. 4 years, my baby did some punching. Another 4 years, my baby did some punching. At the end of the day, no development. Bro, for now, I'm the same. How do you understand grammar? Asuma John Mahama Kaino, where is that past where he is conditioning people's mind? If John Mahama had not referred the people, say, about baby books, then you have a chance to say that. Monte comprehension, I say, Monte summary, I say, copy, Sadam Dabedruha. He gave a reason. So I'm going to open the books for you, Dana Jantwa and John Mahama, to look in it. In this Obia book, 100 billion dema. No, I can say John Mahama buy 100 billion dem. Unim say books no, so what's the problem? Monkwasi adeno. Kevin Antina, Alan Project, Asantime Wankasa, Alan Kurechim Antibedi, for 8 years, cover the 8 years, the bas Antime. Recently, Alan Cash said this. This is Alan Cash. I don't even want to talk about this. Where's it? This is a statement from Alan Kurechim. What did he say? Or say government must meet needs of Ghanaians. Or say are buying and meeting the needs of Ghanaians. NPP are buying no film no. For 8 years, have they met the needs of the people? Now let me read Alan Kurechim Mantina Mudine Chineba Omiano. Exact words or kind. I mean, they said John Mahama. He's way ahead of you people. On say emphatic radio to say Alan Kurechim Mantina Papa John Mahama because of this and this and this and that. You can't. On someone to make us about me, Papa John Mahama because of this and this. Yanko said John Mahama, Yanchimo be a bibu, Sanquasia didn't have track. Now Muntim Alan Cash no. Alan Cash when answer for you dead the chair more and I'm Mokoma Alan Cash go the president. There's Alan Kurechim Mantin. And I quote him, listen, Mukosku Amunsuya de Jantra na Mokobo, Mobatrefia, now Pija Betty. And he is civil engineer, senior engineer to my kitchen. Oji, Sana Oji, Upe Oji and $200. Oberman Puntu Abefina Wabanya, a your papa engineer Papano, Oti my kitchen, Emma, Motitatamu studio. Oh, Nanka will end Unimsa now. You never thought of sitting on radio and taking peanuts. You wanted to be an engineer. Engineer na Oji Krama draws peno. Why are you people like that? Now let me read this to you. And I quote. There is a compelling desire where Alan Kurechim Mantiano has said, There is a compelling desire by a majority of Ghanaians to move Ghana beyond party manifestos towards the formulation of a national development plan, which all Ghanaians can sign up to. Tie Alankash, anybody Alankash nekasano. Mo Jimmy. Mun. Adena mo kinga mo ntiase. Alankash na mo bese obe president no. Na no asem ni o say there is a compelling desire by majority of Ghanaians to move Ghana beyond party manifestos towards the formulation of a national development plan which all Ghanaians can sign up to. O say emra say Ghana for yen nyina be kan hwabom na atwe ehun afi party omo manifesto so na yen nyina kan hwabom na form bi friend the national development plan. Na yen nyina yen gina so na fa nkyekere Ghana alankojo kyeremante na odine nim no odine chi no asem afi ne numu bae no. He's talking about Ghanaians moving away from their party politics, party manifesto, and looking at one objective, which is a national development plan. 2014, and John Mahama edit national development plan by Jimmy Four. You people don't read. You sit there and I'm wanted to one you are pleasing people. Who started national development plan? 2014, and John Mahama and making sure say a national development plan for 50 years has been put together.
I say catch Ghana for na uncle for Jim Mahon conditioning. Also the can honeymoon. Where they come we so what the Baba to say. And ye na me dwene hu. A car me babe somni anwochira ye de akom ne bra me bebre ne ho adwene na me dwen. It is a wagi.
Ada aben bebo mu na ye bete ye samia say ye call when something and I ye call osran him and the ruba na ye be make our sensitive event masters na so yas near the media ebro we bia o hwegen ewo and intino say wo ya de bia fanhye mu ade bia to chi Mahama trofo na etwebu ni so na bibia enko to ten Mr. Bruce and some brands and they are to jano in wo fa na say
you see Okasana Boma or the insults and the kasa, you lose the substance of the issue. Okasa say ya na I am to say Kramaya won't you know boom keke. That's how I see him. Because facts and then I say you have been president before.
Yeah.
This is not your first time. Why president that? Under your watch, Doomso came. Under your watch, brass branding came. Under your watch, isotophone, debet to Jida Nina, for this car. Under your watch, so many things happened. John Mahama Kasa, my ye wouldn't say why former president that.
In New York.
And yes, on New York, he has been there. But he's talking as if he's now coming there.
Maybe what happened, you know, when only went to
oh boy. The only thing a difference in the say, yeah, the sa soul the soul some now ukofie now you reading your privileges as president. You then you know say you can do anything in Ghana and go scot free.
Okay.
Because constitutional honor, yes, we are president. Bonnie be a baby and office will be a to be found court. I just said 3 years.
Yes. Okay.
80 who silence Matwedi. So what I say? Yeah, can national plan or can it's fine. But see yeah, for the animal you. What's it a candidate also? Ultimate journey now within 4 years. Why not someone say so when it's happening?
Okay.
Excuses. And you're from Kofor, incompetent. Those who think that they can do.
Sure.
Who be a say I can do our plan. They be a say I did say no, or be to me no are turning around within a day.
Sure.
And you'll be surprised. That's what we call competence. Now over Becky can near my matter that. No as I'm a dad, I'm not so as I'm a did to me no. They be a make us a Kufuan Muhammad John Mahama. Kofor yen hero. Akufuado. Because near Ghana come 2015, no. Now we thought that was the end of John Mahama. Akufuado, incompetence in a woman John Mahama. I am hero.
But you're not in the title now,
President Akufuado, incompetence in a woman John Mahama. I am hero. So I say because this na your come na I can hear me. And no that may say Ghanaian politicians, they are all the same. Papa Lieni. Because you all can say, hey, say, open say, or mine to Poma. John Mahama, you say, Assembly American, and correct. You were good for you, say, and correct. Constitution, and your constitution, Papa. Why can't they talk about it? Tell I know what to wear the music camera. Why can't he have the sense
to talk about it?
Yes, he knows the constitution yet. Why is he refusing to wait? Say it. This constitution won't even find govern any country for the country to work. Progress that. Okay. I'm telling you, constitution the politicians so much privileges, and then I make an NCA boss. And that's what impudence. But when they discard. Meanwhile, as someone here can help beer. Sir, previously, not yet no one wait for an privileged committees. No man granny or man who said, oh, what this guy here running down sky. Tell me, sir, why can't be what? They be what? Prosecuted. Okay. Because the constitution is not correct. Because I can hold the committee's privilege and some more be from powers to what? Prosecute. Can one year can I use what this kind of not police general?
Now special prosecutor way.
But just MD can be God special prosecutor. See, I have camouflage. I can hold a year can some now police need to know handcuff for the crowd. It's who you are, not your fault. I can obey back and now you will continue where you are so I'm going this car. Now where I can say tra and you beside the age. Ultimately can the age. Ghana 40 men before the youth of today, people over 60 are still there working.
Also, or no, he's based on contract.
What contract? We don't need contracts. No. Time where you are Ghana for a woman. The retiring age, it's like you push it back to 55. I'm telling you, yes. So that people will get work to do. Yeah, you question we should put it back. Because time where when Kofo they don't have job to do. People here is 70, he's still working. Sure. Because Osana no oye jumano, or the need now Rob Ross. Tisika no the best thing on CV. 10 years near their man no, or previa the accident. And so we are thinking they should push back the retirement to 55 so that people get job to do.
And it's share a conflict of interest between the parties and Unimomuni. Can we say that is because of Ndokwana Abba rampant and the way he say now?
Nina trick. Nina trick, forget it. Nina MBC people Nina trick. Me da.
They don't have any conflict of
interest. Me say, yeah, you be real baby na busa Nina trick. MBC before here, yeah, my contracts. Nina trick. Which it's like Ghana politician, no be grab boss man. No wait me. Yeah, Ghana politician. Omo here be now journey a boss man wait me. Because omo no me change the amado. Omo nyina ni akọ sika no we be di 8 years. No ko. Na we so ba be di 8 years no ko. Na ye engineer ti ni ebre. Yeah, taxi here. Omo ni say acha 8 years you go. Na we so ba 8 years no so be di sa no ko. Sa the mentality. Na Jimmy ya can you koso
into a more presidential limitation or shank I am almost saying
any limitation the rules of the game has to change.
Okay, it is not about the limit.
It's not.
Okay,
you see you will be different power to the people.
Okay,
taking the power back to the people. It means making people what responsible to mother Ghana, not to an individual.
Sure.
President Bar appointed over 5,000 people, key positions. So who are you to what? To go and challenge what? The president. You can't. MP before even the ministers, so I'm say, yeah, president said, we are there on one of the rebel. They wouldn't change it. Yeah. Or maybe you'll be vetoed out of power. I'm telling you. Even the your friend said, MPP, General Secretary, he has said it. Reshuffle your people, or see that. The presidency, the power at the presidency is just too much. Why can't people just get it? Yeah, yes, some powers, different politicians as well. Trust me, and confirm best standing for about Ebeka Kenebi. Yeah, yes, car and electoral commission is going to rob, and this one is going to comedy. Because only, sir, if you want that thing to stop, let the commissioners choose their own one. chief commissioner. The IGP no honor shouldn't be chosen by the president. Let the Ghana Police Council choose their own IGP. The CJ, Chief Justice, shouldn't be chosen by the president. We have Judicial Council. Momo Kesanipa and Seno Fatano. They should bring the person and let them swear to protect the integrity of Ghana and see if Ghana won't go forward.
And just swearing Korean almost swear at the end of the day.
Almost swear to the president. The president holds the power. But when you are swearing to Ghana, a different.
Okay.
Say,
make a president no. They swear to.
Oh, they almost swear just for fun.
So,
but when you take the power away from the presidency, now the partner Judicial Council now point to. Also, Master, you owe allegiance what to Ghana, not to anybody. So, President appointee here Bibia, the Chief Justice can instruct the IGP say go pick your men and go and arrest this minister, and nobody can say anything. And no, they do what Rebecca said. We are running what a nation. Now do what they are. We are just a bunch of fools walking around with no head.
So how do we draw a line between the fairness and impartialities now? What they are on board, you know?
And no man can change the constitution.
Apart from changing the constitution,
there's nothing you can do because Ghana is based on laws. You can't take arms, you can't do anything. So change the law.
But don't the president also have their rules and regulations?
What rules? The rule is to him alone. He wants the power. What he wants is what he will do.
But
and
the
you can't do
president
anything.
can be overthrown.
From what?
From his seat as a president.
How? Impeachment?
Yes.
I talk about impeachment.
Yes.
Parliament now you call you know. President no or to see the members of parliament or to 50 few. Parliament now as a check president no. The parliament has been weakened by the same constitution.
So how would there be any situation of integrity?
America go ahead. 2 years, your fairness or popularity cut down. Your midterm election, you can be voted out.
Yeah.
And no that say you teacher man you go mine. And you Ghana.
Yes, I
had the 4 years old. Opa kukunipa. You still be what? Protected. What kind of country is this?
Anyway, young man, be honest, and name and then a 6th of February, which happens to be anniversary of the Mahama Christian.
Oh,
Nebusian for Ama Bebrena, I say, and I say, ya fear by Nemo, a more yasa, kakra. Unim ne Honsen Bikakra. And now, Christian, apart from they are engaging and you need to say, well, yeah, very good. What is school near the idea or sharing can be more or prison for Babo money and the idea. Apart from no. And the background history as a footballer, bit near my Mukaka.
And I mean, say he was from a very poor home, but he was determined to make it in life.
Sure.
Or sharing the family now, poverty, not driving on to push through. And you can't wingers, one of the finest wingers Ghana has ever produced. And see, Christian, dear, Ghana na yan kaya because time now you need to black star because not Bobo same black star players in the brain. But Ghana, you say players. You say players will bring you so say players. And see, Nyameka is Nyameka the currency. Na Nyameka the mansion in the bush so. Nyame pet no bet me the man in the bush so. Anybody hate me. Now, if you are saying, Uja legacy, your name will live on. And now you can say Newcastle, Chelsea, Omohodi, anniversary honor for him. And yet, black so, a profane American. And you will live your life well. Now we are yes, we are and live a good legacy. Generations won't remember you while you are gone.
Nti ye nya be ma Christian achi irade enfa okra ensie ye enfa emmaye na afi nso enye ono nko ano ofiri mu eyade a players no nso bebre efiri mu a akwakoya reposem ye pa nemo Ghana fo ye mu obi a hyede ebusuafo nyina ye ma mo yakọ ene ade Mr. Bruce sisi asem no enya ye bia nesa sisi yera Mahama ena yera ba omia umienu na akwakoya nkofo a ye show menim so mo de Ghana ebe moving on to the next step. If you to be na dey ma Ghana for abra you right election year.
Me dey to back pe na dey bia ma Ghana for. Enkoye kwase ade. Na obi papa akwakọ pa adwumanti. Yenkobo wasumi kukun yenkwache ontum. after all do some mommy yen judge me no omno nkopam ozomo adwuma enti me poli a me dia ba me to bi wona abeto e wona abeto ba wutu wi akofie enye ho na ba be defend obi go and defend your own house obi anko na adwuma so pe na adwuma what I say na politicians so here trust me mama ma three more election e be do mo the ballot in the see no e bo 5 mo be tam ni empty dia akọ mo asesa musuban ya almost
enti mo azam musuban na mo awobeto aba no ede amamo ho aha too much GH aha Afric Media fa kwa ohwe ye bia na ye twa opuse ye na asesa oba be ka yensa ye pe ene be mo information na e twegu ensa mo ye boroboro so e fa ye ra John Dramani Mahama ho ensa mo ko bie so a ma eye koku ebe kika ansem se asam no waka ye no wonhwe na ho e fa nsan wanka se wanka na waka ye so a wan shada ai if you say is suku a yesi da no untumi ba meka so ho e na wesi sa suku no eno e na brand e Kevin Taylor so e show mu a wo say na me nim say we journalist a woni mo left from right na wo de wono ne se mo kan ne de wutie ye sa pepepe e no wo pa kire and it's no what of forward drink there fa asem ne ho no ene ne sen ye fa ne sen na akwaku ye ne sen Ghana e na ye ko ye di esa amrashe bejefu echi ama ya ko ye chi anase yankasa no ye hwe ye ho so na ya boye bra na ye dia ko ye nim ye dry election year mu ene ti bo ho ban bo obusuafo nyina ho e ban accident ni esisi bebre na obeti na crash na crush ene ti hwe ho so ye na ma ho ento di aha too much penny be mouse information no city event masters and the soyas near the media April enti o ya ade bi e fa egiyo say ye wedding party Christine and ade bi ye nhyimu ade bi ye ni ji warako to chama ho matru for so 0594 603 869 na omo be di media no enfam now aha it much yakra
Bacha some aniti and Africmedia Wikipedia ubehia se ubetwa eho enfoni ade ato ho opage mekwa oye apabene ebano live streaming video coverage and now say pictures on ho anyo bibia city event masters and internet say ye eyiyo say your wedding birthday parties anniversaries any nia ekeka ho ayi Africmedia fashion bia to chiom o ma ho matru for iso 0594 603 869 Jometro akwaye ewo abeka La Paz a free pipe quantum pon so